I'm Dudo. I'm Amber. I'm Bubble. And this is Funny English Toon. Learn English the fun way. What a beautiful day for an adventure.
Please don't run too far today.
Haha, you worry too much. Look at that butterfly.
It seems suspicious.
It's a butterfly, not a villain. Wait, where did it go?
I have a dreadful feeling.
Uh-oh.
I think we're lost. This is my worst nightmare. Mine too. Did you see that? This is my worst. I definitely saw that. Maybe it's friendly? That's exactly what villains want you to think.
Why are you screaming?
I thought you were a monster.
I get that a lot.
The darkness is coming.
You always fear the dark.
Because darkness feels bigger than me.
Everyone is afraid of something. Even you? Especially me. Milo, look out! Wait.
The darkness isn't destroying me. It's making me stronger.
Haha!
I won't run anymore.
That's the spirit?
Follow me.
Haha! I can see home!
We're almost there.
Haha! You were incredibly brave.
I was still afraid.
Then how did you do it?
I kept moving forward anyway.
Subscribe to our channel. Like this video. See you in the next video. Bye!